This is my last channel for me. My brother deleted my shorts right now. He told me it would disappear tomorrow. Please watch this evening me before my channel has been cancelled. Bye bye guys. I wanna see. Please like and subscribe to my other channels until tomorrow. I will miss you guys. I'm, I'm posting this to say my last bye byes. So please like and subscribe to my other channels before they get cancelled. This is bye bye.